Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get a free 50 GB of data from MTN. So make sure you watch this video from beginning to the very end, and because in this tutorial I'm going to show you a step by step how you can replicate this strategy and get a free 50 GB of data from MTN. And if you want to get this free 50 GB of data from MTN, write in the comment section, write me free 50 GB of data from MTN. So before I continue to the video, if you are watching me for the first time, or if you come across to the channel for the first time, my name is Abakar. So what I do in this channel, I go out there find different ways and different strategies to make money online and other stuff like this. And if they work out to me, I come here to this my channel and share it with you guys. So do well to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the bell notification so you do not miss any of my videos. And don't forget, if you want to get an update about different ways and different strategies to make money online, don't forget to join my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group. The link is in the description box below. So without more delay of your time, let's dive into this one. So the very first thing to do is to go to your Play Store and download my MTN app. So as you can see right here, I've already installed it. So let me go and open it right now. So it's loading. So let's get started. So what are you going to do here is to go ahead and sign in with Google. So make sure you follow me step by step, so don't skip any part of this video if you want to get this 350 gig of MTN data. So click on this particular sign in with Google. So click on it. So it's gonna running on Chrome browser. So you can go ahead and choose the email that you want to log in with. So after you select the email that you want to sign in with, so you can go ahead and click on continue right here. So it take me back, I don't know what happened. So I'm gonna go ahead and log in again. So as you can see right here, it's showing me their privacy and whatsoever information. So what you're going to do now is to go ahead and click on I agree. So you can just go ahead and click on this particular continue button. So if you want, you can just choose any username that you like. So you can just go ahead and click on continue. So you are doing great. You can add your email. So let me just click on I will do it later right here. So as you can see right here, this is the interface of this particular app. So what you are going to do now is to click on this particular section at the bottom of this particular app. Click on this more section, more. So you can go ahead and click on this logout section. So make sure you are watching. So click on this logout. So make sure you watch me based on what I'm doing. So make sure you watch what I'm doing. So don't skip any part of this video. So let me click on get started. So what you're going to do now is to go ahead and click on this continue with phone number. So what you are going to do is to go ahead and put your phone number right here. So after you put your phone number, you can go ahead and click on continue. So make sure you are following me step by step. So they will send you a OTP and you can go ahead and copy. So by default it was just enter right here. So if your phone doesn't have that features to default a OTP message, so you can go ahead to your message and copy and paste it right here. So as you can see right here, it's going. So let me go ahead and click on agree. So you can just go ahead and select the username. So let me write it with small letter and then click on continue. So make sure you are following me step by step. So here you can bring your email address. So let me click and I will do it later. And boom guys, as you can see right here, congratulations, you have been offered 50 gigabytes of data free from you have been offered 50 gigabytes free data for downloading my MTN Nigeria app. So click activate now to claim this offer. So let me go ahead and click on activate now. So as you can see right here, this is a congratulations message. You can now enjoy your 50 gigabytes free data which expires today at 11 p.m. and 59 minutes. So the expiration of this particular data is only for 24 hours. So make sure you set an important things that you need to do with this particular data, so you can download movies, tutorials, so whatever you want to do with this particular data in a one day. So you can go ahead and just replicate what I did here and to get this free data. So if you are enjoying this video and you are getting value from it, please guys, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to join my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, because I'm sharing some important tips and tricks and information in that particular channel and in that group. So and share this particular video with your family and friends, and they will benefit from it. So don't forget, if you want to get an update about different ways to get money on internet and free data, so go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and the most important thing, turn on the bell notification so you do not miss any of my videos. So see you in my next video, and thank you for watching guys.